This is apartment 906 here at 515 Clarkson. This is our biggest one bedroom floor plan at 702 square feet. So walking in, you have your closet, your entry level closet to your right. With the shelving up top. So this apartment actually had the carpets removed in the living room and dining room to make it plank flooring throughout. So really nice if you're not a big fan of carpet. Walking out here, we are on the 9th floor. So really high up, eastern facing. So can enjoy this space on this really large balcony. Walking in here is your kitchen. Lots of cabinet space. And microwave, oven, and you do have a dishwasher as well as a garbage disposal. Along this wall is your pantry. Lots of space. Walking in, bedroom to your right. So there still is carpet in your bedroom. And this whole wall is closet space. You have your floor to ceiling window in the bedroom to really open it up. You do have double sinks with a vanity, as well as 2 medicine cabinets here. And your bathroom. The bathroom does have a tub with the shower.